In this video, I will demonstrate how to use Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is a screen capturing application that can be used to create and edit videos and capture and annotate screenshots. You can use audio narration from your microphone and video from your webcam. You can annotate videos, edit videos, and back up your recordings directly on the Screencast-O-Matic website. You can start by trying out the free account. Create an account by clicking Sign Up, it's free. Enter your email address and choose a password. I'm going to log into my account. To take a screenshot, click the camera icon. A screen will appear and you will click Open Screencast-O-Matic Launcher. The next message that will appear will say Ready to take a screenshot. I would like to navigate to my Blackboard site and then I will click Ready. Click and drag the plus sign to capture an area of your screen. Click Open Screenshot Editor to edit the screenshot. The next folder, open Screenshot Folder to save the screenshot onto your computer. The next icon, Publish Screenshot to Web. That just allows you to save the screenshot directly onto the Screencast-O-Matic website. Click Ctrl-V to paste the screenshot. You can paste the screenshot into a Word document and you can use it in the future. I would like to edit the screenshot, so I will click Open Screenshot Editor. And you can see all of the features that are here. Crop, resize, you can annotate the image, you can add an arrow, shape, highlight, blur a portion of the image, you can add text, and you can even add steps. The steps are circles containing a number, and you can use the steps feature to guide students through Blackboard. So I would like to annotate this image. I will use an arrow and text. Maybe the text will say, click the drop down arrow to access the weekly folders. Okay, done. You can copy the edited image to the clipboard. Ctrl-V to paste the image. You can export the edited image and save the image onto your computer. You can publish the image directly onto the Screencast-O-Matic website. Click Ctrl-V to paste a link for the image. So you can provide the students with a link to the image or the actual image. I will click Done, and I will navigate back to the Screencast-O-Matic website. I mainly use Screencast-O-Matic to record lectures, to demonstrate how to access the weekly course material, and to create tutorial videos. To record a video, click the camcorder icon, launch recorder. You can see there are many different features. Click the screen to capture your screen, webcam to record a video using your webcam, and you can also click both to record a video of you using your webcam, and then you're also recording your screen. So students can see you when you're talking about different features on the learning management system. With the free account, the video duration is limited to 15 minutes. You can also change the size of the area that the students will see, the size of your screen. Click the arrow. 480p, 720p, active window. You can also set the dimensions to whatever you choose, and I usually use full screen. The free recorder will only capture narration, not your computer audio. I leave the preferences the same, I do not change them. When you want to record a video, click Record. When you're done, click Pause. You can delete the video and start over. You can also click Done. You can save and upload the video. You can save the video file onto your computer. You can upload the video directly onto the Screencast-O-Matic website. You can upload the video directly onto YouTube. You can upload the video directly onto your Google Drive. You can edit the video, redo the video, or cancel to delete the video. I'm just going to click Redo. So I can start over. Done. Quick Share allows you to copy a link that you can share with the students. You cannot edit videos using the free account. You will need to upgrade to the Premier or the Deluxe plan to edit videos. The Premier and the Deluxe plans have additional benefits, such as adding a call to action button to the videos. You can also create longer videos, and they have a library of videos and images that you can add to your recordings. I usually click Save and Upload, and I save the videos onto my computer. I save them onto OneDrive and onto my flash drive. So I have them in multiple areas just in case I lose the video. I then upload the video directly onto YouTube. So I'm going to click Done. Click the circle containing your initials. Click Settings. I'm already on this page. Once you click Settings, you will see the same page. Click Content. And you can see here in the column on the left-hand side of the screen, this is where you will find the videos and images that you have saved directly to Screencast-O-Matic, directly to the Screencast-O-Matic website. Overall, Screencast-O-Matic is a great screen capturing application that offers a wide variety of features. You can capture a screenshot, you can record videos, you can edit those videos, you can use the free account, or you can use an upgraded account, whatever you choose. I suggest starting with the free account, and then maybe if you'd like to edit or do other things with your videos, you can upgrade to the Premier or Deluxe accounts.